can get your 4,000 watch hour, your 1,000 subscribers using just pinned comments, guys. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your pinned comments to get your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers. I know to you guys will be thinking that how is that possible? Pinned comments, what will be there? Don't worry, guys, just sit back, relax and enjoy. In my previous video, I've been talking about how you can actually use YouTube promotion to actually promote your video using end screen, adding cards. If you have been watching my videos, you guys can actually relate. But in case if you are just finding my channel for the first time and you have not seen that video, for you to be able to relate better, go ahead to watch like my previous video. Or if you cannot watch that video, I'm going to be putting the link in the description, so you can just go ahead to watch, like, I think just 2 videos here. So just go ahead and watch those 2 videos so you can actually relate better to this particular video. So guys, back to how you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers using just your pinned comments only. A lot of people were actually saying, because the video I made before, they're like, I don't know how to add end screen. I don't know how to add cards. How do I do this? This is looking so hard. But guess what? You can actually put that your video. Put the link, You copy the link. I know this one should be easy. You guys should not tell me you don't know how to put link in your comment section. Don't even tell me that, because I'm going to question you being a YouTuber. So even if you don't know how to add end screen or card, although I said I'm going to make a separate video on that, maybe after this video. I'd have tried it with this video, but I don't want this video to be too long. I'm trying to break my video into sections. So maybe in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to add end screen and cards. But this particular method is just going to be showing you how to use the comment section. So make sure you're still using that video promotion, but guess what? This is a new tweak, a new dimension. This dimension and the video you'll be using for your promotion will not just be any old video. This will be you advertising that video in your pinned comments. First of all, I need you to go and check a very, very good video you have. Your best video. Make sure that video, don't go and use a 3-minute video. Don't go and use a 4-minute video. What you are looking for, you need watch hour, right? And so to get watch hour, you need a longer video. And don't just go and say, oh, because you need a longer video, you should now go and post long video that does not have sense. Or that maybe if you watch from beginning to the end, nothing to gain, no value, just there. Or a very boring video, no strong hook. So if you want to use a video, make sure the hook is very, very captivating and keep them engaged. Make them glued. Keep them to their seat. Like, make them want to watch you from beginning to the end. Make sure that every sentence you make is actually making them watch you from beginning to the end. Use that video. If you don't have that video yet, record it. Think of it. If you don't even know, just think. I cannot speak for everybody's niche, because everybody have different niche. So I cannot come here and say, okay, do this, do this, do this. I can just talk generally. So this is me just talking generally for everybody. So depending on your niche, talk about something that has value to others. Talk about that kind of thing. So once you do it, make sure it is at least 10 to 15 minutes long, or it can be longer, but at least 10 to 15 minutes long is actually okay. So once you actually have that, then pin it in the video you want to use for your promotion in the comment section. So the video you now want to use for your promotion, this is how you should make the video. Make the video like you are advertising that particular video in the comment section. Keep mentioning the link in the comment section in that video. Mention it to them more often than you can, because them watching that video alone is not going to give you any watch hour. Like, YouTube video promotion is about you advertising yourself. It's about you showcasing yourself to the world, showing yourself. And by doing that, you need to advertise what you have. You need to sell what you have. If you don't advertise, how will they patronize you? How will they buy? How will they click? So you need to make them click. You need to give them reason. Make them see the urgency. Let them know that that particular video is going to do something for them, depending on your niche. It's just like me now that I am in the how to grow YouTube niche. I don't know if you're in my niche too. You can make a video, let them see the urgency of why they should start a YouTube channel. Let's say the video you want to pin in your comment section is how to start a YouTube channel in 2025. The step by step. Make them see the urgency of why they should start a YouTube channel. Let them know that YouTube actually pays. Give them reasons. Give them, make them want to click. Don't just say, oh, I made a video, check out, maybe in a doorway, maybe just say, check out the video in the pinned comment section. Check out my video. I spoke about how to start a YouTube channel. Who is even going to click? Before you even finish saying that statement, they have already scrolled away. Give them legit reasons. Give them value. Tell them what is inside that video. Tell them what they will gain. Explain to them. Let them feel like, oh wow, I need to check out this video. Or you can even say, in that particular video, I did something very shocking. Or you can just even start like, wow, there's something very shocking I did in the video. I actually pinned for you guys in the comment section. If you want to see it, click on it in the comment section. If you see what I did, it is so shocking, so mind-blowing. I couldn't believe it myself. That kind of thing. You telling them, oh, you did something very shocking. You couldn't even believe it yourself. Then they'll be like, okay, she did something shocking. What did she do? They might not even finish watching your video before they click. All of them are so eager. They want to find out the shocking thing you did. Do you guys get? That way you have gotten their attention. You make them click that your video that is pinned. So that way it is like, just advertise yourself. And don't advertise it in a boring way. Advertise it in a way that it is going to make them click. Think of ways. You have to be strategic now. You know how buyers and sellers, if you are a Nigerian and you're in Lagos, you see how people actually sell their market, especially when you have competitors. You need to make your mouth sweet. If you are in the educational niche, talk like you're a professional. Talk like you know what you're doing. Make them just grab their attention. Tell them there's something in that video. That video, or you can just say in that video that you spoke about 3 different things. I wish there's a way I can just like put all of this information into somebody's head right now. I feel like there's a way I can just it's not possible. It's not just possible. I wish there's a way I can throw myself into everybody watching me right now that catch this idea. I really wish there's a way, but I feel like I'm too hyper right now. But this is a way to which you can actually do it. And in case you don't know how to do YouTube promotion, I left the link earlier. If you have watched that video, fine, you might not wish to watch it again. But in case if I just find my channel for the first time, I'm going to be leaving the link to that video on how you can actually do promote your video on YouTube. I made a video on that recently, so I don't want to be repeating that video again. So I will just be leaving the link in the description. Just check the description. Click on the description. The video is going to be there. So, and for those of you saying, oh, we don't know how to use end screen, this is another option for you. This is another way for you to advertise yourself. We know, yes, the downside is, oh, you have to pay money. But then, if you look at the future, look at the gain, what you stand to gain in the end of the day, you might actually make more times 10 of what you're actually investing to YouTube right now. So that's why you need to make a very good video that you're actually going to pin, so that when that person watch your video, the person is going to be mesmerized. I don't know if that English is actually correct, guys. But I hope you guys actually get that. I hope you guys actually catch this. I really hope you guys catch this. If you have more, like, maybe if you are still confused and you're like, can this work? If you are still confused, put it down in the comment section, guys. I'm going to still explain further for you guys. But I think this is the last time I'm going to be, okay, maybe not the last time, because I still want to like show, okay, maybe this is like the second to the last time I'm going to be talking about YouTube promotion. Yeah, because there are other ways, several ways to which you can actually get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. But this is like the second to the last time I'm going to be talking on this particular method. The last time I'm going to talk about this method is how to add end screen. Because of people saying they don't know how to add end screen, I want to make that video for them, but I don't want to attach it to this video. I think I said that earlier. Yeah. If you find value, if you learn something, if you're going to be trying this method, please do well to like this particular video. If you find value, if you learned anything, if you learned a trick, do well to like, do well to leave a comment, because that's how you guys encourage me to actually go out of my way to bring more ways, more smart ways, because YouTube needs smart thinkers, not hard workers. I said it in my previous video. People that are actually very smart. See, it's the smart people that are actually still staying on YouTube and doing well on YouTube. The smart people. If you don't know this, know it now. People that are actually very smart. Those are the people that are still staying on. You see, a lot of people are actually on YouTube, but when they try, they don't last long. I'm not saying it to, I'm telling you, I'm not mentioning anybody's name. They don't last long. They just stay and they are gone. So, it's not about being a hard worker. It's about thinking smart. Yeah, so I don't want to be saying too much in this particular video. I think I've passed my message. So guys, and also if you want my one-on-one coaching, my one-on-one coaching is still going on. Check the link let's say a link, just check down. Like, you see my email display right for you guys there to see. Just send me a message, guys. Send me a, I'm one email away. The way I am one email away, guys. Yeah, just try this particular method and get your channel monetized using the pinned comment section only. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.